Stop by and take a look at the 2020 911. This vehicle is powered by a 6-cylinder, 3.0-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, rear fog light, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster. Inside you'll find heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, 8 speakers, leather seats, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.